QPay offers money sending services to the Philippines. Your representative for assistance is Mr. Jerome Che.
Yon, what's up mga kabayan, no? Ako nga pala si Jerome, no, from QPay. Sa mga hindi pa nakakilala kay QPay, isa kaming remittance app dito sa Taiwan. The first legal and licensed remittance app here in Taiwan. Kaya worry-free, no? Hassle-free, pwede mong bayaran ng iyong padala kahit sa ang convenience store yan. 24/7 din ang ating processing yan, no? So, legal and licensed, 24/7 processing. And then, napakabait pa ng mga customer service natin. And you can always approach us. Meron po kaming booth dyan sa harapan. Yan. Guaranteed na pinakamataas, no? Highest rate tayo. Mati-check niyan sa ating app.
Wait lang sa'yo kanina, yung narinig ko, magkano na lang yung service fee?
Service fee natin for as low as 99 para sa banks and e-wallets.
Alright. So, QPay. I know QPay. By the way, I use that one.
Yun, maraming salamat po. Guaranteed, no? First ever legal and licensed app dito sa Taiwan. Kaya wala kayong dapat ikabakala. Safe na safe ang inyong transaction.
Alright, thank you so much once again, QPay!